a lot of what we discussed. That was, I believe, in 2019 when we were all at the Limonera Ranch talking about sustainability, and a lot of what we were discussing there, a lot of those brilliant people that gathered for that gorgeous, dinner right there on the ranch. It was an opportunity for us to kind of set the tone for some of the things we're seeing today in agriculture as it relates to our industry's collective strides towards, sustainability and reaching that consumer demand and farming as sustainably and regeneratively as these growers possibly can. So thank you for calling that out. That was a great event.
Regenerative farming is a huge hot topic this year, but we are really reaching this thing about plastics, right? And I don't want to get too far off, but I mean, this is a very hot topic, and there are laws about plastics, and of course, France's use of no plastic. It's coming down the turnpike, and it is going to be really interesting. Now, one of the things that I remember that I've gone to Nikki Casio was that I thought that PET plastics, I thought they said that PET plastics are recyclable. Now, I've talked to other people who are environmental excellent, and they say, no, it's not. And then I've been really researching and just Googling, and there are ways to do it. It's tremendously expensive, and you can turn it into some type of nylon product, but it's amazing. I don't know if you've seen, but there's this ocean rescue. There's this huge sea of plastic out in the ocean, and they're putting these ships together and they're harvesting, but only 8% of that is going to be recycled. The rest goes to landfill. And this glob of plastic in the ocean, in the Pacific Ocean, is the size of Texas. The size of Texas. It's 007 Ocean Cleanup. It's a French company. And it's a great thing. But my first thing was like, okay, wait, do they have these ginormous plastic recycling centers? I mean, what are they going to do with it? And then I find out landfill. And I'm like, so they really need to get down to how are we going to reuse these plastics? How are we going to recycle these plastics? And I don't think we're too far off.